Do you know many people are having trouble with getting their pies evenly cooked on top using the Sunbeam Pie Magic PM4800? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Preheat the maker. Preheat the pie maker for 5 minutes before placing the pies inside. Step 2. Season the plates. Season the non-stick plates with a thin coat of cooking oil using a paper towel. Step 3. Seal the pies. Seal the pies perfectly with the edge crimper for a decorative trim. Step 4. Cut pastry evenly. Use the pastry cutter to cut pastry tops and bases for even cooking. Step 5. Fill generously. Fill the pies generously with extra filling to ensure even cooking. Step 6. Cook for time. Allow the pies to cook for the recommended time for perfectly cooked and browned pies. By following these steps, you can ensure your pies are perfectly and evenly cooked every time. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Sunbeam users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.